Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be installing this wig that I got from the Clock app from TikTok, from MsCOCO hair. This is the perfect hair, supposedly the perfect color for fall. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and try it out.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. You. Wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you
The texture feels very nice, but as you can see, the lace is right here. I don't think you need to cut the lace. You just need to put some makeup on the lace.
Baby, I see you working hard, wanna let you know I'm proud, let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better, challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour all my love letters. Let me help you, take off your shoes, untie your shoestring, take off your cufflinks. What you wanna eat, boo? Let me feed you, let me run your bath water, whatever you desire, I'll aspire. Sing you a song, turn the game on. I'll brush your hair, help you put your do-rag on. Want a foot rub, want a manicure. Baby, I'm yours, I wanna cater to you, boy. Let me cater to you. Baby, this is your day. Give me anything from my man. Baby, you blow me away. Got the slippers, no dinner, no dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, just let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart. Ain't nothing tear us apart. You're all I want in a man. My life in you. Got the slippers, no dinner, no dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, I wanna cater to you. Baby, I'm happy at home. Let me hold you in my arms. I just wanna take the stress away from you. Making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you need me to do? If you want it, say the word, I'll try it. I know whatever.
The next.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
See, I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I'd be there, swore that I'd catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who we were and who we are.
Fall season is upon us. Fall season is upon us. Fall season is upon us. Okay, let's talk about this hair. Hold on. Do I have to recurl this little piece here? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline, and as you can tell by the title of today's video, we're gonna be talking about this beautiful chocolatey brown body wave type of wig. Okay, this has got to be the color for fall. Where do we even start? Where do we even start? Okay, where is this hair from? I was influenced to get this hair from the TikTok shop. Okay, this hair is from MsCOCO hair on TikTok. This is a 6x5 dark brown wear and go glueless wig body wave. Okay, 26-inch, 200% density. I got this hair from the TikTok shop from MsCOCO hair. I kept seeing it on my timeline. Everybody was like, this is the perfect hair, perfect hair, perfect hair. But I'm like, they're probably getting paid to say that. But I said, okay, let me go ahead and try it. So I got me this hair. I got it in the 26-inch. I did cut some layers, as you probably saw in the previous clip. This is a 26-inch. I cut some layers into it to try to make it look a little bit better. I didn't have to cut the lace or anything, you guys. Okay, look. Okay, you can see the little ridges of the wig, how it usually comes. So 6x5 right here. I did not do any baby hairs because I suck with baby hairs, but I feel like if I did add baby hairs, it would make it look a little bit better. But to your own discretion, if you want to add baby hairs, you can. But me, I need somebody to do it for me because I don't want to cut it anymore and then mess it up. This is a 26-inch body wave. They do have it, you could get straight or you can get body wave. I like body wave because it already comes with that little oomph in there and I can just add some curls into it. Let's talk about what I like so far. I love the color. I love that I didn't have to like go and dye the hair. I feel like it compliments me. I am a little bit like, I was a little bit scared. I'm like, I've never done this hair color before. Okay, this is all new to me. This hair already came pre-bleached, okay, pre-cut HD lace, pre-plucked hairline, and it's a 6x5, so it's 6 this way and 5 this way, and it has a 3D dome cap, secure, and it's comfortable, and it has the removable elastic band, which is what I have. Like, it just fits right on my head. I didn't have to do too much to it. Just again, cut some layers and add some curls into this hair. I feel like this is the perfect color, the perfect hair for fall. It says that the hair is 200% density. I'm not really seeing that at all. I would say it's not 180%. I mean, I would say it's not 200, maybe a 150 or 180, but it's not 200% density. The hair is very, very soft. Like, the hair is super soft. It has not been tangling or shedding like that. And again, I cut some layers into the hair and you can see, like, look at this. I wish it was like more full like this. Like, since the pandemic, yeah, we really haven't been getting like, you know, full wigs, full hair like that. Like, it ain't been the same ever since. If you want to, you can definitely use some little spray to hold down the wig, but literally I am a glueless wig wearer. Okay, this hair color, I was skeptical, but all I had to do was throw on a little bit of makeup and I'm feeling a little bit better, because sometimes you have to see it like all done up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I curl the hair. I use, and it's actually on, y'all, first I use the flat iron to curl the hair because I don't know how to use a curling iron to curl the hair, and then I use a curling wand to curl the hair. And then finally I said, okay, let me use this. So I've curled the hair in 3 different ways. When I curled it with the flat iron, the curls didn't really stay that long. The curls fell flat. When I curled it with a curling wand, it looked very, very nice, but once I use my hand or I use a brush to brush it out, the next day the hair fell flat. I said, okay, so let me go ahead and try to use this to the best of my ability. So all I did, as you can see in the video, I just wrapped it around this way, right? And then I left it on for a few, and then I let it go and it formed a little bit of a curl. And then we had to bring these back, okay? I used some flexi rods after I curled the hair while it was in its heat form, so it can at least stay. Now the curls have gotten a little bit loose, which is what I like. I love that, okay? But that means that I'm gonna have to use flexi rods for it to remain that way. I didn't use any hairspray or anything, but I mean you can, but I didn't use any hairspray. If you want your curls to last, use about like 4 flexi rods on each side, and then for the front, if you have rollers, you roll it away from your face so when it comes down it can lay down like this. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, as far as the hair holding a curl, it doesn't really, like right now it's looking good because again I told you like my method, but if you're gonna just like curl it and go about your day, it may not stay. By the end of the day it might fall even more flat than this. But I was able to maintain this by using flexi rods. As soon as I curled it while it was still hot, I put the flexi rods. So I put 4 flexi rods on each side and I let that sit for about maybe like 45 minutes. And then after that I removed it, and then the curls were there, and then eventually the curl started to drop, so it got into this little drop that I like right here. So as far as holding a curl, it will, but you gotta do a little bit of work for it to hold on to the curl. If you are new to wearing wigs, I definitely recommend a 6x5, okay? Because you have the amount of parting space that you could part it to the left, to the right, in the middle. Okay, you don't have to do too much. And when it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached, you guys, you don't even have to cut the lace. So if you're new to wearing wigs, go the Glueless route, okay? And if you want a color like this for the fall, head on over to MsCOCO. I will have the link in the description box. Go ahead and go on that clock app, or you go on the website and get this hair right here. Again, I have a 26-inch body wave and I curled it. So yeah, a Glueless wig is the way to go. This is dark brown, but I don't know if it's really dark brown. I don't know, I like it. Some part it looks a little bit reddish, it looks a little bit brownish, but overall I absolutely like this hair. I am feeling myself for the fall, okay? Take me out, I'm ready to be outside. JK, not really. I'm not ready to be outside. I'm about to take this thing off right now. It doesn't tell me what kind of hair it is, if it's like Brazilian, Peruvian, Indian hair, but it's very, very smooth, very, very soft. Like, you guys, like, look at it. It's super, super soft. Just wanted to stop by and talk about this hair that I just threw on. Literally, okay? And I absolutely love it. Again, if you're looking for a perfect color or perfect wig for fall that you can install by yourself, go ahead and head on over to MsCOCO, okay? Tell them your girl Choerline sent you, okay? I do wish it was a little bit more fuller, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I miss the fullness, like this, like, ooh. Something about a full wig just does it for me, okay? That's what I'm talking about right now, okay? Give me 14 of those, okay? Yeah, so this is the hair. Hope you guys like it. And if you have any questions, leave it down below in a comment. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. And like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.